Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we'll be playing Subway Surfers, so, as you can see already. So, we are gonna just play, and, I don't know, just play. So, I am trying to get a lot of, what is it called? Oh yeah, keys. I'm trying to get a lot of keys, so I can unlock this character. But I just don't know what character it is. I just want to unlock a character. So we're gonna get. Oh, we just got that prize. Okay. Oh. All right. Well, we have. I don't know how much coins I have right now because there's the timer right in front of me. As you can see on the screen, if you just look in the upper right hand corner. And wow, okay, I'm guessing I got to 92. And let's open this, and I got a hat. I'm gonna see how much hats we have to get. Okay. Oh, it's okay. You unlocked just I forgot. Okay. Um, X. Okay, I'm gonna go and get that character really quick and go look. Okay, this is a new one. I'll show you guys. I never even seen this before. And then there's that one, and that's the last one. Where is this one? Where is it? Oh yeah, she's over here. Okay, we just unlocked this one. And I am guessing that probably some of you are wanting me to play with this character, with Trixie. So I am going to. And let's go back. Here we go. Okay, we have 20 coins so far. I keep on forgetting to move the timer. Why? Alright, well, oh, yes, we need that. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go up here and, yep, okay. Perfect. Okay. Oh, that would have been a bad idea if I went right in front of the train. So thank goodness I didn't, and I didn't even see the train. So thank goodness I didn't, because I would have like got killed. So yeah, I would have lost. No, hey, what? What? Okay, I guess that just happened. Okay, really? Come on. Okay, let's go back to that. Okay. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. No. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna see who's on the top run. Alright. Okay. So who got the medals? Okay, these guys. Okay. Where am I though? Okay, me. Oh, I'm like nowhere. Okay, whatever. Okay. So I'm just gonna go back home to the place. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you had a good time watching my video, and I will see you next time, next time, and we will be making another video. It'll be pretty cool. And as always, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and goodbye.